after it's done reading. Hey, Andy.
Hey, everybody. Say cheese.
All right, so great. So the very first thing we did, and just reference the app again, is I turn on the device, and I can turn it off. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, all you have to do, I've got a toggle device event handler that handles the click event, and I just have a Boolean maintaining the state if I'm turned off or on. We'll go down to where I turn it on here. The very first thing you have to do is ask for permission from the user to use the webcam device. In this case, I'm checking to see if the user has already granted me permission in the past by checking the capture device configuration class's allowed device access property. That'll return true if I'm allowed. If that's false, then I'll explicitly ask the user for permission by using the request device access method. So this class, capture device configuration, is pretty handy because that's what we got the list of available video capture devices before, and then we'll actually use that for some microphone integration later. So if the user says yes, go for it, then I start the capture source, and then I set up a video brush. A video brush object has a set source method, and I set the source equal to my capture source, and then my video surface, which is just a rectangle shape, I set the fill equal to that video brush. And that's how you paint the video onto a shape on the UI. It's pretty straightforward. As far as the take picture button, I call the capture image async method on the capture source. And then, as soon as the picture is done being taken, I can handle the capture image completed event, and then the event args for that just has basically a result that is a writable bitmap, and that is what we are maintaining in our items source list, our observable collection. And then with a writable bitmap, you can save that as a JPEG, send it to a server, do whatever you want with your writable bitmap. If I choose to change my source, see my combo box, I'm handling my device changed, or my selection changed event, which is called set source. You actually have to stop your capture source first before you set the next capture source you want to use. And so in this case, if I'm turned on, then I stop the source and then I start it again. Otherwise, you'll get an exception thrown if you try and change the source while it's in use. So in this case, I've got one camera here, and if I change my source, and here's the second webcam. So you can change, but you'll have to do some, put some logic in there to deal with the fact that if it may be turned on already.